You just found the proven dating success system that will change your life. Introducing Building Confidence, the smart, strong, and successful single men series for mastering the art of dating. A book series divided into 3 guides. Guide 1, Getting Her Number. Guide 2, Got Her Number and Then What? And Guide 3, Mastering the Art of Dating. These are available as ebooks and audiobooks. Plus, 3 bonuses for boosting your self-esteem. The Illustrated, Is She Into You? Reading Female Body Language. Get more dates by dressing better. And Dating Secrets. I'm Jacqueline Cruz, Brazilian model, actress, teacher, and writer, with a degree in physical education, human anatomy, physiology, kinesiology, and psychopedagogy, skills that do contribute to qualifying me to help others with their relationships. But it is the experience I acquired through my rough journey to a successful professional, personal, and sentimental life that really made the difference. The pain I went through didn't stop me. I kept my belief in my dreams and in true love, and I would go through everything again. That's how I learned. That is what really opened my eyes to what real life challenges look like. And that's what qualifies me to be your dating coach. Through several hours of reading and social studies, I was able to help hundreds of people to free themselves from pain and loneliness. So I wondered, why not help thousands instead of hundreds? And that was when the Building Confidence series was born. To help you no longer wonder what the hell is going on inside of a woman's head, giving you dating advice from a woman's head. I will tell you everything you need to know in a fun, clear, and relaxed way, and using explicit language, starting right now. Let's cut the bullshit and open up Pandora's box with the secrets women do not want you to know because they're afraid of you using the knowledge to manipulate them. They should open themselves up and allow men to know what they really want. This way, you can avoid mistakes, make the right woman happy, be happy, save time and even money, since dating can bankrupt you if you don't stop investing in wrong women and or applying the wrong methods. So, let's see what's included in this offer. You'll get the ebook and or audiobook versions of Guide 1, Getting Her Number. Are you still getting a woman's number like an immature, reckless guy? Don't complain if you never find the one. Get a woman's number like a man by using the proven method for a successful and healthy relationship. Guide 2, Got Her Number and Then What? One of the most challenging steps is to get that woman's number. And then when you finally do it, you question yourself. And then what? What is the next step? How long should I wait to message her? What should I say? Guide 3, Mastering the Art of Dating. Now that you are well prepared, it's time to master the art. Know how to date wisely, find the one, and keep her hooked forever. Plus, get the following exclusive bonuses that you can't get anywhere else. 1. Reading female body language. Know what your date is thinking without her saying it, and know how to adjust your own body language to make yourself more attractive. 2. Get more dates by dressing better. How can you look great but still keep your own style? 3. Dating Secrets Black Book with my favorite quick tips. Building Confidence also offers you a 30-day money-back guarantee if this package doesn't boost your confidence, empower you on your dating journey, change your mindset for the better. Then you can just ask for a full refund within 30 days. Note, I reserve the right to change this offer at any time, so get it now. Building Confidence, changing lives, getting people together and creating happily ever afters for real. See you inside on the Confident People's team. Would you like a sample for starting? Click in the link below and download the guide, Why Are You Single? For free. The exciting guide that reveals facts about dating every single man needs to know. Get the data you need to start living a pleasant life.